Well, let me take you to my garden, and I wanted to show you how to make your azaleas bloom. Azalea को कैसे bloom कराए या what is the care required for azalea. So आप देख सकते हो कि my azaleas has really less quantity of soil, but you can see them bloom so well. They're so healthy. You can see them. They're blooming a lot. Well, the basic thing that you need to know about azalea is that azalea loves acidity, and for that what I do, I use rice husk and a bit of 50-50 in the ratio and a bit of compost. These two things only, and I have changed the soil maybe around 2 years back, and throughout the year they keep on blooming. You can see my azaleas. I have more in my nursery. Well, these are the azaleas that I kept in my home, and they're blooming quite well. Well, I would also like to show you my bougainvilleas, which are blooming like anything at my home. So in my next video I'll also show you how you can make your bougainvilleas bloom